The former traffic division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force says it is now having a greater impact since its transformation into the Public Safety and Enforcement Branch, PSTEB. More in this report.
It's been almost 4 months since the JCF's traffic division was incorporated into the Public Safety and Enforcement Branch, PSTEB. The branch was announced and created as part of the government's crime-fighting plan. And according to Deputy Commander at PSTEB, Superintendent Courtney Kubri, traffic operations are already feeling the impact.
Significantly. We have a broader reach.
The PSTEB hierarchy contributes this success to two factors: the increase in the number of members since September and the new fleet of motorcycles.
They have been, prosecuting quite a significant number of motorists who breach the Road Traffic Act on a daily basis. The numbers have skyrocketed since the allotment in resources.
He told TVJ News that the success has been more evident in the past few weeks, as he claims motorists have started responding positively to the increased police presence.
And you find that persons would be committing breaches here, there and everywhere, and because the officers are in pairs and can cover up to 30, 40 locations at a time, you find that that bad driving that generally take place along long stretches of road have reduced significantly.
Additionally, he says persons are now paying traffic tickets on time, and in cases where tickets are ignored, warrants are now being issued by the courts. In those instances, violators are arrested when identified by PSTEB officers. He again pointed expectantly to the gazetting of the new Road Traffic Act, which he says will give PSTEB more teeth in carrying out their duties.